Welcome back. Since microcontrollers only use binary numbers, it is important to know how these numbers work when writing programs for your microcontroller. Let's begin with the number system that you are used to. It is called decimal because we count in base 10. Base 10 means that we have 10 different digits that we can use to count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So when we count, we start off counting from 0 to 9. However, after 9 we run out of digits, and when this happens, we put a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place and get to the number 10. Then we keep the 1 in the tens place and change the number in the ones place, counting from 10 to 19, and the pattern repeats. Binary numbers are going to count in the same pattern, except now there are only 2 digits that we can use to count, 0 and 1. And since there are only 2 digits, we say that we are in binary or base 2. If we want to count up to decimal 5 in binary, we would start by counting from 0 to 1. Then we run out of digits, and so we put a 1 in front and start over with the other digit 0 to give us 1, 0, which is equal to 2 in decimal. Then we count up to 1, 1, 3 in decimal. Next we run out of digits to use again, so we put another 1 in front and mix the rest of the digits 0, 1, 0, 0. And finally, to get to decimal number 5, we count up one more number to get 1, 0, 1. The handouts for this section are going to pick up from here. They will continue to explain the use of binary numbers, hexadecimal numbers, and the concept of bits, nibbles, bytes, and words. We recognize that some of you will already be familiar with these topics, and you may want to skip the handouts for this section. But note that we will be introducing some additional features of Code Composer Studio, such as viewing the content of variables in the CCS debugger. Please take a look, and if you have any questions, let us know how we can help. That's what we're here for.